Hey guys, so finally the Openledger Airdrop claim is live and now you can check if you are eligible or not. So in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide about how to check eligibility and claim your tokens if you're eligible. So to claim your tokens, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you find this page link. So click that link and you land on this page. So first click on enter, then click login and select Google and choose your email which is associated with your Openledger account. Then you see your Openledger wallet address. Then click on check availability and then confirm. Now wait a bit, it's checking for eligibility. So now click on I understand, then you see your allocation if you're eligible. So here I got 33 open tokens. So click on next. So don't choose this one for claiming. Select this one claim and then next and then click on claim. Then accept the terms. And here you might see this failed message because you need a small fee in your Openledger account. So click here and open your Openledger wallet. Then here, as you can see, I have 0 funds, so I need a small fee in the Ethereum network. So as you can see, I've loaded around $2 worth of Ethereum to cover gas fees. Now again, click on claim, then accept the terms and wait a bit for the confirmation. So you might see some errors due to server issues, but don't worry, try again. And then you see this message, which means you claimed your tokens successfully. Now how you can sell or exchange tokens. So to sell or exchange your tokens, open your wallet from here. So right now the server is not working and also the token is not showing. You need to wait to receive tokens to this wallet. So if you check on this Etherscan site, as you can see, tokens were sent to my wallet, but I've still not received them yet. So after receiving your tokens, if you want to sell or exchange, then you need to click on send. Then here right now it only shows Ethereum, but when the open tokens have arrived, select that. Then here you paste your exchange or any wallet you want to transfer to. Then select your amount and then submit. And that's how you can sell your tokens. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.